Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make burger cutlet at home. Start by choosing 80/20 ground beef, finely chop onions and herbs, then mix gently with breadcrumbs, egg, salt, pepper, and a dash of Worcestershire sauce. Shape into even patties about 3.5 inches wide, refrigerate for 20 minutes, then coat lightly in flour, dip in beaten egg, press breadcrumbs, and pan fry until golden and cooked through. For tender burger cutlets, mix ingredients with a light hand and avoid overworking the meat. Shape consistent patties so they cook evenly, pressing a small dimple in the center to prevent bulging. Chill the patties for about 20 minutes before breading, which firms them and helps the coating adhere. When ready, dredge in flour, dip in beaten egg, press breadcrumbs on gently, and fry on medium heat until crisp and golden. Heat a skillet with a few tablespoons of oil on medium, so cutlets develop an even golden crust without burning. Fry the patties for several minutes per side, flipping gently only once to keep the crust intact, and aim for an internal temperature of 160 degrees F for safety. Allow the cooked cutlets to rest for 2 to 3 minutes on a rack or plate so juices redistribute, then serve on toasted buns with your favorite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.